Instances where U.S. government or local police actions led to drastic displacement in black communities. The Tulsa Race Massacre, 1921. The destruction of Greenwood, Black Wall Street by white mobs, facilitated by police deputization. City officials provided weapons to mobs. Police arrested black residents instead of perpetrators. National Guard participated in mass internment. Over 10,000 were left homeless. 35 city blocks burned. Survivors barred from rebuilding via discriminatory zoning laws. Urban Renewal or Negro removal, 1950s to 1970s. Federally funded slum clearance under the 1949 Housing Act targeted black neighborhoods. Eminent domain seized homes for highways, universities, and civic projects. In Syracuse, New York, over 1,300 black households displaced for 181 construction. In Nashville, Jefferson Street community bisected by 140, destroying over 650 black businesses. The Bay Area, Oakland's West Oakland split by Cypress Freeway, accelerating community fragmentation. Highway construction in black communities. 1956 Federal Highway Act incentivized routing through low-value areas, meaning black neighborhoods. In Miami, I-95 destroyed Overtown, Harlem of the South, displacing over 40,000. In New Orleans, Claiborne Avenue's Black Business Corridor razed for I-10. Climate gentrification and government neglect. Disinvestment leaves communities vulnerable to disasters, enabling land grabs. Post-Hurricane Katrina in 2005, delayed federal aid and biased rebuilding policies blocked black residents' return. 80% pre-storm population never resettled. The Flint water crisis, 2014 to the present. State-appointed emergency managers switched water sources to cut costs. Officials ignored lead contamination. Police enforced water bill collections. Over 20,000 residents, mostly black, fled due to health and financial strain. Property values collapsed. These cases reflect systematic patterns. Racialized disinvestment creates vulnerabilities followed by state-sanctioned displacement under the guise of progress. Contemporary equivalents like retail gentrification and climate-driven land grabs show how race remains central to spatial injustice.